Play Store could not update problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Play Store could not update problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is stable. And then check your phone storage and make sure your phone has enough free storage. At least 10 to 20% free storage is required. And then go to settings. Now go to apps or apps management option. Now tap on search app and search Play Store. Now tap on Play Store and then go to storage option. Now tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now go back to home screen and then open Play Store. Now tap on profile icon and then go to settings option. Now go to about option. From here update your Play Store. Tap on got it and then go back to home screen. Now restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.